Welcome to Libra Computers, where learning is fun. In this session, we will learn a function that can be used where decisions have to be made. Example, if gross salary exceeds 50k, tax is 10%, else tax is 5%. If function is used when there are one or two conditions. Syntax equals if open bracket, logical test, comma value if true, comma value if false, close bracket. In if function, there are 2 comma and 1 open close bracket. To make you all understand, I have prepared a worksheet of salary report, where name of the employee, grade, and basic salary is mentioned. We have to calculate HRA. HRA stands for house rent allowances. So, HRA is 10% of basic. Formula will be equals to 10% multiplied by basic. Press enter. You will get the answer. Copy paste the formula. TA stands for traveling allowances. Processing condition for TA, 10% of basic for grade A. That means grade B employees does not get TA. We have to use if function because there is a condition. As the condition is character, type it in double quote mark. Enter the formula as per the syntax. Equals to if open bracket, select the first record under grade column because grade is the condition, equals to open double quote A close double quote, comma, enter the true value, that is 10% of basic, comma, enter the false value 0, close the bracket, press enter. Copy the formula. Now, if you try to change grade B to A, TA will update automatically. Gross is the total of basic, HRA, and TA. Use AutoSum to calculate gross. Let's calculate tax. Processing condition for tax. Tax is 15% of basic if gross is more than 2000. Use if function because there is a condition. Tax is equal to if open bracket gross more than 2000, comma 15% of basic, comma 0, close the bracket, press enter. Copy the formula. Net is equal to gross minus tax. Today's session, we learned the function used when there are 1 or 2 conditions. That is, if function. Thank you for watching our video. Like, share, and subscribe our channel.